Good morning. Welcome back to Raising Cane. So it's Saturday morning, and I promised to my husband I would go fishing with him this morning. Y'all, it's early. I'm sleepy. But I promised him I would fish with him this morning, and he said the fish bite early. And he said the fish bite early. So I'll probably be fine after I get some coffee in me. Yeah. Let's go. Okay. So I'm gonna have to put me some coffee on. Hopefully that'll wake me up a little bit because I'm tired. Fix enough for him, I guess. You have to be careful what you tell these men because they like children. Once you tell them, I'm sleepy. And I done told this man I would get up and fish with him this morning. He went to the store yesterday, got more bait and everything. He seemed like he was excited for me to get out there and fish with him. So, and I have been asking him to teach me. It's just that you have to get up so early to fish. Like, jeez. When I retire, it won't be a problem. But for now, I'm working these 2 jobs Monday through Friday, and then on Saturday morning, getting up at 6, 7 o'clock. Okay, so coffee is on. I'm going to take my vitamins. Ooh. This is fiber. Y'all know we get up in age and take your fiber. Every woman should be taking probiotics. This is my husband's multivitamin. I don't know where mine is. I think I left it upstairs in the bathroom. I'm going to have to go get that one. But I take a multivitamin, I take a probiotic, and I take fiber. I don't think I'm going to eat breakfast. Oh, well, I need to have something. Maybe a banana, a biscuit or something with my coffee. And we gonna get out here on this water, y'all. I'm gonna bring y'all with me.
some water, and they picked up it, and your cousin swung the whatever it was they found, and it got stuck in Aaron Young's eye. He had to go to the hospital and get it out. That's why one of his eyes was messed up. Which one you want to try?
Let me see. I don't know which one best. Which one go catch me some fish?
I don't know. Which one you want to try?
The white one, the silver one.
Grab it.
Line here and begin to make wraps over the line and the shank that you just pulled through. Now, if you have strength in your fingers to do so, it's helpful to do tight wraps here, but if you can't